Igbo Area TV on Ndigbo.
Hello, great people. Ohanaeze Ndigbo sent powerful message to Governor Hope Uzodinma on military operations against Ndigbo in Orlu, Imo State. The highest Igbo socio-cultural group, which is Ohanaeze Ndigbo, has started an investigation concerning the recent clash between the Nigerian army and indigenous people of Biafra members in Orlu, where lots of lives and properties were lost. According to the group, they stated that the clash, which is uncalled for, would have been avoided if there was a dialogue applied at first. They, however, warned that everything should be normal and restored immediately in Orlu and its environs, as Ndigbo are meant to be peaceful. Having seen some evidence of destruction of properties worth billions of naira, they hereby call for the ceasefire and settlements for those that lost their lives and properties in the clash. Ohanaeze Ndigbo, irrespective of their belief in Igbo advancement, have the mandate of Igbo to engage Nigerian authorities of the grievances of Igbo youths and address especially the remote causes of Biafra agitation, as dialogue remains the global asset of settling disputes. Meanwhile, the media advisor to Secretary General Kalumba Uduma said the governor Uzodinma should be aware of the verdict of history, that whatever decision taken today as a way of protecting lives and properties should not involve the military operations in civil disobedience or self-determination. Hence, Ndigbo will hold Governor Uzodinma responsible for any life lost in Imo State under such circumstances.
But I make a research. Glass how you know? I make a research.
Yeah, such a that's not valuable.
Almost you. Almost. Hey, all on fire one day. All yeah, got
Nanda quadra quado.
Oh my God, look at them. Look at them right now. Look at them, look at them. Look at them. Oh.
APGA speaks on Governor Obiano's defection to APC. There has been rumors circulating that Willie Obiano, Anambra State Governor, is planning to dump his party, APGA, to join the All Progressive Congress, APC, to contest for the Anambra North Senatorial election in 2023. His tenure expires. As we all know that Obiano was elected on APGA's platform in 2014, he will complete his constitutional 2 tenures in office on March 17, 2022. The National Coordinator of APGA Media Warriors Forum, Chinedu the Igbo, has stated on Tuesday that there was no iota of truth in the rumor, urging that people should take note that every election season, opposition elements are known for being more desperate and resorting to all manner of blackmail in a condemnable way to seize power from the ruling party. He further emphasized on the fact that the Governor Obiano is not planning to leave APGA to join APC. Rather, he is committed to ensure that the person who will take after him as governor will also come from APGA. This is the goal the governor fixed his mind on, seeing that it comes to pass and nothing will stop him from doing that, he added. Moreover, Igwe stated that Obiano is a committed leader of APGA, who is so determined to take the party to a greater heights. With this, therefore, the general public and Obiano's fans are advised to disregard the opposition elements and their fabricated tissue of lies in this election season because they are politically motivated. Emmanuel Emenike has put smiles on the faces of people of his hometown. Well, this is not just about putting smile on the people's face. Guy has to invest because of tomorrow. No one continues to play football forever and make a living through it. So Guy had to shine his eyes, or else you have to learn lessons from story of those who also made money like this, but private jets. Some people made money from football, but bought private jets. Guys has to wisen up. Anyway, the Super Eagles striker recently built a world-class hospital to help care for his people and add money in his pocket as well and save for the rainy days.
Hospitale Emenike, Adams Hospital. At least when I maybe won't be able to treat him without that you could not make go. Whereby now upper echelon. One get away go 2021 to
Emenike played for top club in Europe, including Fenerbahce, Olympiacos, and Spartak Moscow. Emmanuel Emenike has given back to society in a big way as the former Super Eagles striker recently completed a world-class hospital in his own town as seen on Instagram. Despite retiring from international football in 2015, the 33-year-old forward has fulfilled his promise to the people of his hometown in Imo State. The two-story building is located along the highway, which can be accessible to people who have quality health services. In a video shared on social media, the striker along with his friend were taken to the site of the hospital, and Emenike seemed satisfied with what he saw after money was well spent. All is now set for the building to be commissioned and begin operations, as well as meeting the health demands of the ordinary people. Emenike had a brief spell with the Super Eagles between 2011 and 2015, and he scored 7 goals in a green and white shirt. See the photos of Ake's beautiful wife and mansion. Chinedu Ikedieze is most popular for playing close to Pawpaw in many motion pictures after their discovery in the comic film Ake N'Ụkwa in 2002. Around then, he was only 25 years of age with nothing. Now he has vehicles, organizations, a glorious manor, and some more. With God's elegance and endeavor, he has become famous in Nollywood. He has packed away huge loads of grants and achievements. Beyond question, he would everlastingly be recalled in Nollywood. In 2011, he got hitched to Neoma Waija, who later became Neoma Ikedieze, his wife. Before they got married, they dated for a very long time and had a ton of time to see each other better. Although the marriage is yet to deliver a kid, Chinedu and Neoma are living cheerfully together. They are not irritated by the absence of kids. On the off chance that this man ever consulted you, Sneaker, benevolently wish him a glad birthday in remarks segment, please. May God keep on fortifying his marriage and favor them with kids soon. Please pray for them. Pray for Chinedu Ikedieze that the home will hear the cry of baby soon. We are so much happy to identify with Chinedu Ikedieze. Ake. We love him so much. And we thank you, Emenike, for this hospital. Oh, yes, you put smile in the face of a lot of people, and also it will help you. We wish you more success. And viewers, what do you have to also say about the APGA thing? Obiano's planned defection as rumored in the news. Please add your comment. Also, click on the subscribe button if you haven't. And also on the bell icon to get our update anytime it drops. I'm Azuka OJ. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.